Hey makers! Today I'm going to show you how to burn firmware on your M5Stack Core S3. Whether you're new to M5Stack or just got your Core S3, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. M5Stack Core S3, USB Type-C cable, computer with internet connection, M5 Burner software. Head over to M5Stack's website and download M5 Burner. Install and launch M5 Burner. You'll need to create an account. This is important because your device will be linked to it. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface with different firmware options. Now, let's connect your Core S3. Take your USB-C cable and plug it into your Core S3. Connect the other end to your computer. In M5 Burner, locate the Core S3 section. Choose the latest firmware version. Hold down the G0 button. You'll see the LED change from red to green, indicating it's in programming mode. Select your device port from the drop-down menu. I will first erase the earlier firmware. Now click the Burn button. Before we burn, we need to configure your Wi-Fi settings. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID. Enter your Wi-Fi password. You'll see a progress bar. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't disconnect your device during this process. If you run into any issues, make sure your USB cable supports data transfer. Try a different USB port. If the device isn't recognized, press and hold the G0 button again. Check that you've selected the correct COM port. And there you have it. Your M5Stack Core S3 is now ready to go. If this was your first time burning firmware, congratulations. You can now start programming your device using UIFlow 2.0. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more M5Stack tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions.